Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Katie Marie and I'm currently on my budgeting / debt-free journey, and in today's video we are going to have a sticker unboxing. I have two from Sarah Marie and one from TempestXOXODesigns. I'm going to go in the order that I received them. So this one was the first, so the Sarah Marie September kit. So I'm going to open this up and so I can show you guys her beautiful kit for September. So first is the transaction log script sticker with the thin washi that goes with it. Absolutely beautiful. I love the color. Then we have the debt tracker script sticker and two thin washies. It's a very neutral kit this month and I'm living for it. Then we have the sinking funds and two thin washies. So this as well as a script sticker. Then we have her beautiful thin washies. These are the thin washies for this month of September. Absolutely beautiful. Love it so much. Here is the first thick washi. I got the floral one. Really, really pretty. I'm obsessed with it. And now that I'm thinking about it, I probably should have ordered one more thick washi. And then here is this one. This one is striped and it kind of has plaid and floral and polka dots. I am obsessed with this thick washi as well. Then we have her weekly check-in. So this one is the weekly check-in script sticker and then the 6 thin washies that go with it. And then we have the September monthly overview. These are a new layout. So she reformatted her logo. And then she also used to have September 2020, but she removed the 2020. So you can purchase these and use them whatever year you would like, which I really appreciate that. And then this is the thin washi she paired with this kit and I love it. And then lastly is the September budget. And then this is the script sticker and it comes with 9 thin washies, the valuable expenses and fixed expenses, and total. These are like half thin washies. She cuts it down the middle, if you guys can see that. So yeah, that was everything for the September kit, which I'm super excited to see her October kit. Then I ordered, if you guys saw my weekly check-in, you saw that on the 7th of August, I ordered no spend stickers. Look at how cute this packaging is. She tied a little bow and she also included a freebie that was for Christmas gifts. Like, tell me that's not the cutest thing. So let's untie this. I kind of don't want to, it's so pretty. She did include some freebies as well as the items that I got. And she also always includes a really cute sticker on the back to seal the package, and I love that. I don't remember if I said who this was. This is TempestXOXODesigns on Etsy. So I ordered one sheet of the no spend stickers. These are bigger than I'm used to, but I thought they were really pretty. So I just ordered one sheet of these. And then this is the little freebie that she included. So it comes with a thick washi and a thin washi, and it's just red and black plaid, and I love it. And then it has a Christmas gift script sticker, as well as these little mistletoe and a bow and a Merry Christmas with a truck. Oh my god, that is so freaking adorable. I love that so much. And you can also use this to decorate the page if you choose to. And then it comes with 2 thin washies that is black, that you can indicate the name of the person, the budget you are putting for that person's gift, what you actually spent, and you can also indicate the gift that you purchased for that person, which I'm super excited to use this. I'm so stoked. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. And then she has a total thin washi, so you can indicate how much you spent and actual how much you spent. So freaking cute. Then she also put these little die cuts. Oh my god, that's so freaking cute. You guys, I'm obsessed. Oh, she's so gorgeous. So it's definitely a gold. If you shift, it's gold. And then she included this really cute sticker. It's a half butterfly and a half with like cheetah. Okay, sorry about that, guys. My mom called me. So this is another freebie that TempestXOXODesigns includes, and it's just a little budget script sticker and no spend sticker, a payday sticker, and then she has this cute little thank you at the bottom. And it's really cute. The sticker paper is like floral. So that is everything that was with that order. I think my favorite part, I don't know which one. These two are both freaking gorgeous. I love it so much. Like this, oh, she's so pretty. I don't even want to use her. I have such an obsession with like stickers. That's so freaking cute. And then I really, really am excited to use this. And then lastly, another order. So this was the last thing that came in. And this was from Sarah Marie's Etsy shop, and I got a planner for work, and so I wanted to get some script stickers to use for my planner. So these are the ones that I got. So I got AM routine because I kind of do my day through AM and PM. And then I got PM, so in the afternoon I mark what I get done for work in the PM. And then I have to do, so if my manager or supervisor tells me, hey, this needs to get done first, I can put that down here under the to do sticker. And then I got some of these hourly check boxes, and I do mark the work that I do, and I use little check boxes. I thought these would be perfect to use to indicate and check off when something is done for the day. And then this is just my order form, but that was everything I got from Sarah Marie, and I'm super excited. I wanted to use these so bad, but I know that I wanted to film this video too, so I did not open the package. I'm not gonna lie, I did get one more thing. So I just got the 8.5 by 11 version of this for the calendar, but it doesn't look good because it has like a floral pattern here on the planner that I do have. So that was kind of a waste of money, but it's okay. I'm going to use it for this month and know that for the planner that I have, it won't work with thick washi. I can actually show you, it's right here. Okay, so that is what it looks like. Like, I wish it was like a little bit higher and a little bit whiter. The thin washi fits perfect though at the bottom, so that's cute. I am really excited to use these in my 8.5 by 11 work planner. So that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every single time I put out a new video. I will talk to you guys later. Bye!